Windows has been secretly creating junk files on your PC since day one. There are 3 hidden folders, thousands of useless files, and Windows never tells you they exist. So, hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. You're watching Content Creator Pro. Today, in this tutorial, we will learn how to find all 3 folders. Wipe them clean in under 2 minutes. So let's get started. No paid tools, no downloads. Before I show you that, let's look at what's actually happening under the hood. Every time you open an app, Windows automatically creates a small tracking file. It's called a prefetch file and drops it into a hidden folder called prefetch. The logic? Use that file to preload the app faster next time. Smart idea, until the app gets uninstalled, because that prefetch file still sitting there. Completely useless. Windows never removes it. And separately, every installer you run, every update, every software process, Windows creates temporary scratch files and dumps them into 2 different temp folders. Those files are supposed to auto-delete when the job is done. Most of them don't. We're cleaning all 3 right now, and I'm going to show you a bonus step and something at the end that proves exactly how much junk we removed. Alright, let's jump into it. Step 1. Prefetch folder. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. A small run box appears. Now, here's where most people do it wrong. They go hunting through File Explorer looking for a prefetch folder. Don't do that. Windows hides this folder from regular browsing on purpose. Use the shortcut. Type exactly prefetch, then press enter.
Windows
asks for administrator permission.
Click continue
or yes.
This is expected.
You're going into a protected system folder. Before we delete anything, do this first.
Right-click
an empty area inside the folder. Select Properties.
Note the size shown. Remember that number. We'll compare at the end.
Now press Ctrl+A to select everything. Then press Shift+Delete, not regular delete. Shift+Delete skips the recycle bin entirely. The space frees up right now, not when you empty the bin later.
Some files will refuse to delete.
That's normal.
Windows is actively protecting the prefetch
files it's reading right now. It won't let you touch those. Click Skip on every locked file and let everything else go. Prefetch. Step 2. User temp folder. Now for the folder that usually holds the most accumulated junk, your personal temp folder. Open Run again. Windows key +R. Type %temp% with a percent sign on both sides,
then enter.
That shortcut finds your personal temp folder automatically.
It works on
every Windows PC regardless of your username or which drive Windows is on.
Remember it.
Look at what's in here. Every installer that crashed halfway through. Every update that failed. Every app that closed unexpectedly. None of them cleaned up after themselves. All of it is still right here. On a PC that hasn't been cleaned in a year or two, this folder alone can be holding gigabytes of files serving zero purpose. Press Ctrl+A, then press Delete. Standard delete is fine here.
Skip any locked files.
Let everything else go.
By the way, if you're thinking, I want Windows to handle this automatically, so I never have to do it manually
I have a video showing you exactly how to set that up using storage settings.
Completely automated.
I'll
put it at the end of this video.
Step 3. System temp folder. One more location. The system-wide temp folder that Windows itself uses, separate from your personal one. Open Run one last time.
Type
%windir_temp,
then enter.
Administrator permission again. Click Continue.
Same process.
Ctrl+A,
Shift+Delete. Skip locked files. Let the rest go. All three
locations are clean. Alright, here's the bonus step as promised. Open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt.
Right-click it.
Run as administrator.
Type
IP protocol configuration /flushdns, then press enter. That clears your DNS cache.
cached website routing data that builds up every time your browser connects to a site. It won't free gigabytes, but it fixes random connection glitches and speeds up how fast your browser loads sites. Takes 3 seconds. Remember that number from the properties panel earlier? Compare it now.
That's exactly how much Windows was holding on to from programs you don't even use anymore. No paid cleaners, no downloads, no risk. Windows rebuilt every file it actually needs. Everything else is gone. Drop your number in the comments. How much space did you recover? I read every comment. If your PC is still running slow after this, there's something else going on. Windows has a hidden RAM cache problem that quietly builds up in the background even after you clean these folders. I found it, and I made a short video showing you how to fix it in one click using Microsoft's own official tool. That's all for today. Please do like, comment, and share on this video, and subscribe to the channel if you get benefits from this video. Thanks for watching.